Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad to have you here today. And so today I'm sharing a video I like to call I Bought It So You Don't Have To. If you don't know what that means usually that I got a mystery bag, which I did get from Ipsy. So I'll show you the cute bag in a minute, but it's full of goodies. So we have that and then a couple other things I got in the shop that I'm really excited to share. So let's just get to it. Okay, friends, first of all, I'm going to share the two things in the shop that I really liked. And one of them is I do use Tula Skincare a lot. I love their cleansers, their exfoliant, and I use their vitamin C drops. And this right here is a serum. It's a day and night serum and moisturizer. So it's ultra hydration, and let's open it up and see what we got here. It was just a really good buy, and when I can get the products I like for, you know, a good buy. I was trying to shake it because it looks like, I don't know, can you see that? It's kind of, I don't know if that's just the way it is, but anyway, it's kind of a clear, it's got just like a clear serum. So I like the aesthetic of it. So it's a nice bottle, and I think does it have a flip top? I'm gonna have to figure out. Okay, it just comes up like this. So anyway, so you can take it traveling. It's got a good closure on it. So anyway, that's the first thing I got. I know it was a good price, so otherwise, I mean, that's why I bought it, because sometimes in the shop, I just look out for things that I know I'll use, that I like. And usually you can save money by getting it on a special sale. So the second thing I got is Natasha Denona. This is the Valentine eyeshadow palette. Let's see, do they have a name for it? It's just called the Valentine's Exclusive. I think I first saw this last year and really wanted it because it has my color story. So it did come with a brush, and here's the palette right here. If you look at this, I don't know how well you know me, but this is totally me. This is my jam right here. So anyway, I'm excited about it. I like these palettes because I do like the Natasha formula, and if you get 2 or 3 palettes like this, you could always throw it in when you travel. So you have, you know, different color stories, but they're just nice and compact. So I like that. So it was still a little bit pricey, but I definitely saved money versus buying it full price. So anyway, that's my second item. So then I thought, you know, it's time for a new mystery bag, and I thought this bag was so cute. So here's the bag. It's just it's pink inside, and it's got the bow, and I don't know, I just think it's a really cute bag. So, oh, here. All right. So anyway, the bow, I think you can you lift it? You can kind of hold it with the bow if you want, but there's that. So it came with the items outside it, but it has 6 full-size items. So it looks like a lot of skincare, but let's get to it and see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing I have here is from Beauty, and this is, I'm gonna just wear my glasses here for this. This is that Star Filter Complexion Booster. So I can't, do I have this? Did I get this at one time? Oh, yes. Okay, so I got a little too much on there, but it's just a, I don't know, it's kind of crazy, but there it is. So it's just supposed to be a complexion booster. Got a lot on here, but There it is rubbed in. So it just gives a nice glow. I would think this would be really nice to use like when you got a little bit of sun and you just want to have a kind of a no makeup look. That would be really pretty on the skin. So anyway, I like the way it feels. So anyway, that's not bad. So there's our first item. And the second item we have here is, this is from Sonage. This is a collagen boosting serum, plump, smooth. So I think I could use another collagen serum. So I might even use this. Let's see. So that's what it looks like. Anyway, I like the aesthetic of that one too. That's kind of cool looking. So anyway, there's my second item. My third item comes from People's Beauty. I haven't heard of People's Beauty, but this is a frontliner mask and scrub with tri-molecule hyaluronic acid, triple plant moisture complex, and kaolin. It's supposed to restore, replenish, and calm the skin. If you need moisture, if your skin is dry, it's good. It says spread a visible layer over clean skin, avoiding the eye or a leave-on for 10 minutes, then gently massage into skin and rinse. Can be used up to 2 times a week. So there's that. Let's see what it looks like. Has anyone seen this product or used it? I'm just curious. So mask and scrub. There we go. That's might be something I'd like to use in the shower, you know, like once a week or something. All right, so there's that. Okay, I got 3 more items here. It looks like I've got, this is a lot of beauty stuff. This says Flaming Glow liquid highlighter. Sorry, I just said it however you want to say it, but the Flaming Glow. And this is color Nude Beach. And let's see what is, I really like liquid highlighters. So we'll see. Oh, wow. Okay. Looks like it needs to be mixed up. It's by, did I say it's by Shaina B, S-H-A-I-N-A, Shaina B, Miami. I don't know if this is old. It's kind of got a... we'll see. We'll put it over that last glow item I put on my hand. Oh, if you can see it, it doesn't really show up much on my hand. So, not loving the color, really, but anyway, there's that. So I want to kind of be excited about it, but I don't know. All right. Like I said, it's a mystery box. I bought it. You can if you like it, or you don't have to. Now this one is from B-O-D, or Be Your Own Desire. So it's B-Y-O-D. Be Your Own Desire. This is anything... liquid lipstick. Let's see if we're gonna like the color. What do you think? Mystery box, probably not. It's probably not a good color, but we'll see, won't we? Okay, actually not bad, not bad. So there we go. Looks like a good color for liquid lipstick. I'm not gonna test it because I have so many things like this, and this, I think I'll give this away. It's a nice little Could be a nice little gift for someone. So there we go. There's that. That was our 5th item. And the last item they have in here looks like some kind of a palette. Let's see what we got here. This is from Context. It's a matte bronzer. I do like Context beauty stuff. We'll see. I like bronzers. I have way too many probably. So it might be another item I don't keep, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like here. I love this bag though. This bag's just adorable. So Context, there we go. Looks like a good, that's a good bronzer, decent. So anyway, so there's that. So to go back over our mystery bag, we've got the bronzer, the highlighter, the lip. So those are 3 like neutral colors or whatever for your face. The JLo, which I'm really excited about. I love this stuff. Anyway, in fact, this is something I will use starting in spring and summer. And we got the Sonage. This is the collagen boosting serum, which is another thing that I could definitely use. And we've got the People's Beauty. I think this is something I'm going to, it's just a mask and scrub. I think I'm going to put this in my shower and try it and use it like right away. So anyway, we've got 6 items right here. So it's not a bad, I've definitely gotten worse beauty boxes. So this is not bad. Tell me what you think. Would you be happy with it or not? Now I think I paid around $30 for this. So I don't know if it was as pricey as they normally, anyway, I might have got a deal on it, but anyway, it just all comes up in this pink bag, so which is adorable, with the Valentine Natasha Denona palette and my Tula skincare. So happy with what I got. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I appreciate you being here. Thanks for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.